Ohayou gozaimasu. Today I'm making chicken karaage bento. I don't like doing voiceovers in the morning because I have allergies, but here we are. First, marinating chicken thigh in soy sauce, meat, garlic, ginger, pinch of sugar. You can marinate this the night before if you want to save more time in the morning. While that's marinating, I'm going to make the rest of the bento items. I'm starting off with tamagoyaki. I can't have bento without tamago. I'm using dashi, meat, and a little bit of sugar. Pour in a thin layer of the egg mixture and roll it and repeat. I had leftover miso salmon from the night before, so I'm mixing that in with rice, perilla leaves, and sesame seeds. Then shape it into an onigiri triangle. Instead of nori today, I put perilla leaves because I thought it was cute. Lastly, don't forget the star of the show. I'm frying up chicken karaage that I had marinating. I'm coating it in potato starch and frying it. Once it's golden brown and cooked inside, it should be ready to plate. I love packing bentos and it's my favorite part of the whole process because I think it's so fun. Plate it however you like, but I usually like my bento stuffed to the rim. I try to use as many colors as I can, like red, green, and yellow to make it look more appealing, but that's it and good luck today!